Well, you're a dad of two daughters. What is one piece of advice that you would give them as they're growing up and making a decision about what they want to be when they grow up?
Yeah, a mentor of mine gave me great advice years ago, and I still I've since passed it on, and it's I'm a big fan of acronyms. Using the acronym of How, uh, honest, open-minded, and willing. So, like in any situation, be really honest with yourself, with others, right, about whatever that situation might be. Be open-minded to hearing new ideas, getting new perspectives, and then like anything in this life, it's being willing to put in the hard work, right? Being willing to grind and to work hard at something. And so for me, I think that that advice has generally paid pretty well. And I would say whether that's work, whether that's a relationship, whether that's a side passion project, generally speaking, that I think applies pretty well.
I'm stealing your HOW acronym. I like that.
It's all yours. Listen, passing it along.